This is the new K2 Conduit clamp. It comes with a lot of added features and a couple different kits, and we'll go through that now. So when you're mounting conduit to the roof, you're going alongside the roof, up the roof, and there's different mounting points that installers are doing. This allows you to install this with this larger hole to with the T-bolt to the rail, using a standard T-bolt that comes with the cross rail system. So you have a kit there, and then we also have versions that go to the roofing. So these two examples here show the EverSeal built into it here, where you can go with a standard metal flashing, and the EverSeal directly to the roof where you're sealing into the comp shingle like a splice foot. So we have different kits for different applications. The one with the metal flashing here has a smaller little micro flashing, and this is just so you can slip under the shingle and get to that ideal spot where you're not going on top of any seams. So the reason why we made this smaller is because we're going to the decking and you can avoid the seams along the shingle course, whereas with the traditional metal flashing, they're typically 12 inches because you're going to the rafter and you have a seam. So you have different options for mounting now. You can go directly to the rail, you can go to the roof with a metal flashing, and you can go to the roof with the EverSeal. So check our website for the different kits and get a sample and try it out in your system.